Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to set up to receive text from your website's contact form at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to log into our account, get our username and our password. Okay, that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of that. We're going to go full screen. Now normally to work on the website we'd go to the website button, but today we're going to go to our username up here because we want to get to our profile. And so just click down on the username, click on profile, and that's where we're going to adjust the phone number or add the check to make sure that we have the phone number. If you are on a cell phone, then your profile is going to be down here on your main menu. So on a desktop, you just go to your username, go to profile, and then check to make sure that your phone number is listed here so that you'll receive the text notifications when they fill out the contact form. And then also under contact form submission, right here, make sure that you have SMS text checked off. So that needs to be checked off right here under contact form submission, SMS text. And then if your phone number is missing, or if it's a different phone number and you want to adjust it, just contact the support button right here and let us know that you need to adjust your phone number or you need to add the phone number to your profile, and just provide the phone number and we'll make the adjustment for you. So it's real simple. Once again, just go up here, there's a drop down, go to your profile, and once you're on your profile, check your phone number and make sure that you have SMS text checked off. Let's quickly go to our AAA webinar outdoor scenes. Every website comes with a contact page. So there's a contact us button right here. And we also have our contact us on the top menu as well. But you'll find it on the bottom menu. So click contact us. And then when people fill out this information here, you're going to get a text notification. And it's going to alert you so you can immediately provide all the information. That's going to provide all the information to you, and this of course allows you to reply quickly, to provide quality customer support, and to avoid missing out on some selling opportunities. So we customized our form right here. Please drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you, but that's certainly optional. If you did want to customize your form, just go to the website button on the main menu, click on Pages, go down to the Contact Us page, click on Edit, and then down here in the editor, you can customize it like we did. Also, this is the actual contact form itself on the editing screen. So let's go ahead and go back to Dashboard. And once again, we're here to help. So if you have any questions, you need any assistance with any of these steps, you want to add or adjust your phone number, just click the support button, and then that way you'll make sure that you receive the text notifications from your contact form. And that's it. That's how to set up to receive text from your website's contact form at Dataczar Connect.